Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the advanced features. Now just here you'll see the screenshot and screen recorder settings, and you'll see here the settings of section of screen recorder sound settings. Just click here, and now we can just turn off any sounds in screen recording, just to use the media sounds, or to use media sounds and the microphone if you wanna comment something in your screen recording. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.